So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to change alarm sound on your device. So let's get started. So at first make sure you have the setting app available on your device. So let's open it. Now see, this is the inbox of your settings. Now scroll down below and tap on sound and vibration, which is available on the bottom of the screen. Now again scroll down below, then you will see the option of default alarm sound. So tap on it. Now from here you can tap on any option which you want. Then once everything is done, you can simply tap on OK like this. Then your default alarm sound has been changed successfully on your device. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.